Hello and welcome to another video. So today's question was on ransom note. So we were given two strings, ransom note and the magazine. So we have to return if the ransom note can be constructed using the letters from magazine. Else we have to return false. So basically there are two strings given. First is magazine and the second is the ransom note. So magazine should generally be a larger collection of words from where one could pick up those like few of the words and create a ransom note. But here in this case, what we have to do is check. Uh, we have to check the same thing. So if we could create a ransom note string from taking elements from magazine. Okay, so there is the first method that we could think of is using two for loops. So where one would have to check for that particular element, and if that element is present, then we could remove that element from the string. And at the end of that two for loops, we could see the ransom node string should be empty. So that was the first method that would take O of n square time complexity. So what we could have done here is we could have a hash map here. So where we could keep all the elements tracked, like all the characters that we have taken from magazine. So what I have done here is we have taken the magazine hash map, and we have used the for loop that would go from 0 to the length of the magazine, all the characters from that magazine string, and we will see if we already have that particular character in the hash map or not. If it's not there, we will add the value to be 1. Else, we would increment the value of that particular character. So instead of doing hash map, we could also have done with the array of 26 characters. That would have also done the same thing. But this is a much better approach. So once we have the hash map, then what we are going to do is we are going to iterate through the ransom node, and we'll check if the character from the ransom node is there in the hash map or not. So if it is not there, then we will return false. If it is there, then we will reduce the value of that character. The, if we are looking for any particular key and we found that value is there, then we'll reduce the value of that particular key. So after all these iterations, we should, if we are able to get through the whole for loop of ransom node, then we can return true. Else we have written false on multiple places. So this is the way we could solve this question. Thanks.